Oh, sir. Right, you make the saxophone talk. Eh? Brilliant music. Oi. The boss said, Raheem Vassell with a big-time Bob Marley. All right, so instead of playing games for fun, our next guest used this time to master the Wisdom CRM virtual stock market game, which earned him the winning spot. With me, student of Avondale Prep and Kindergarten School, Kahleel Hutchinson. Morning, sir. Welcome to Smile. How are you?
I'm okay, Mr. Neville.
It is great to meet you. Great to see you. Before we move on, tell me what all those badges are for.
Well, I have a senior prefect badge.
One.
I also am on the principal honor roll.
Two.
I have a badge for getting 95 in math, mental ability, language, arts, science, and social studies.
What?
I also have won the top group with the most points in my class 3 times in a row.
Beautiful.
Which is why I got the all-star group.
Beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Wisdom CRM virtual stock market game. How did you find out about that game?
Well, I found out about the game from my teacher, because a person from Wisdom CRM came to our school and wanted us to play the game. He invited 5 persons from each of the grades, which is how I ended up joining it, because I know a lot about stocks since I was 5.
You know a lot about stocks even before the teacher told you about this game?
Yes, that's why I got interested in it.
So how come? How you know a lot about stocks?
I found it on YouTube when I was about 5-year-old, because back then, stocks, they were very high on YouTube. You see them everywhere on YouTube back then. All over the place.
Yeah?
Even in random videos, you'd see them.
No, Kahleel, you win already. So sir asked you about the game, said you wanted to join the game.
Yes.
And then what? How will you find out where to go and what to do and stuff?
Well, then after that, persons from Wisdom CRM, they actually came to the school and showed us how to play the game, and they also gave us a link on how you can be able to go into the game for us to play it. It starts at 9 and ends at 3.
Okay.
So that's the time that we can trade and those stuff.
And then you can win some virtual money.
Yes.
How much virtual money you win?
I won 800 virtual money.
But you also...
4 weeks.
In 4 weeks?
Yes.
$800?
Yes.
Kahleel, man. But you won a competition, so you did get a little change for that too?
Yes, I did.
How many people were in the competition, you know?
Yes, over 575 students were all competing in the competition.
575, and you came first?
Yes, I did.
Wow. Eh? And this is prep and primary students we're talking about?
Yes, only prep and primary students are in the competition.
So were you surprised, or you didn't know you were going to win from before?
Well, I checked the leaderboard, and once I saw it was first, I just knew I was going to win, because I was the only student who had over $800 in the entire Jamaica or Caribbean.
Kahleel, that's amazing. But what about the stocks that you enjoy? Because some people might say, no, sir, stocks and that can make me happy and stuff. So what about it that you enjoy, this game?
The thing is, from the stocks, I learned about many different companies that I never knew before, like Coin, Meta, Nevada, which I can invest in every single one of those companies. So I can either earn profit or sometimes lose profit. Because back then I would lose profit because I was new back then. But now I earn a lot of profit because I know the different companies and I know if they go down or up a lot.
So back then when you used to lose, it used to bother you, get annoyed and upset and stuff when you lose?
Yes, especially back then, because I would lose a lot of money.
But now you don't lose money anymore?
No, not at all.
So you're happy now?
Yes.
You already said you got like 95 in math. Is that your favorite subject?
Yes, math is actually my favorite subject of all time.
Why? Because me don't proper, you know. But why math?
Well, the thing is, after I heard that math was the hardest subject to conquer, I just really liked it.
You just decided that you were going to conquer it?
Yes.
I love it. What you going to do when you leave school and turn a big man and go university and stuff? What you plan to do?
I'm planning to become a future entrepreneur by owning either a tech business or a supermarket to gain passive income while still doing stocks to make the big money.
I don't know if you're listening to this young man. This is amazing. I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm learning so much. So you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to continue with the stocks and stuff.
Yes.
So, if me and you talk outside, because we don't want to do it on television, you can teach me how to do what you do?
Yes, I can.
Yeah?
Yes,
So how you reach it on the phone? What you do?
Well, the thing
We
is...
can't see it. We can't see. But just tell me what you do.
The thing is... What
No, you
want
can sit. You can sit there and just tell me what you do, because we're not going to be able to.
What you don't want to do, you want to go into Google
Yeah.
and type in Caribbean stock market game. You can do it anyhow, with or without the space. You'll see this Caribbean animated primary virtual stock market.
And that's it. And
Yes.
we're in.
Yes, you just click on the link, you press get started, and all you have to do is just sign up by putting an email and your name and your gender, and then you just log in. Just press get started, and since I already log in, I can just put in my account, and I'll log straight into it with my email and my password, and then it will send you to this dashboard where all you have to do, you can listen to AI Isabella as well, or AI Rabbit. They change the name each time. All that you have to do, once you log in into the game, I'm going to do that right now.
Yeah.
Enter the password, just log in.
But I don't want anybody to see your password and stuff, so we're not going to show anybody.
No, it doesn't show the password.
Okay, question. Can I be a partner in this?
Yes, you can. You
And
can
I
even pick whichever school you were in back then.
No,
And
my as long time me go school, you know.
Yeah.
My school name still.
You
By the way, hold on, so if I'm your partner, I can get money too?
No, they don't have partners in the game, but people can help you as well. They can help you.
So Kahleel, so if I'm your partner, I'm not supposed to earn anything, just you alone will earn?
No, it is a competition. So we're all on our own, but you can get help from other persons as well.
So you can help me,
Yes.
but I can't earn.
No.
Kahleel,
You have to
then.
earn the money yourself.
I have to earn money myself.
Yes.
All right.
As I was saying, once you log in...
Oh, you don't finish with me?
Yes.
All right, sorry
you
about
get put
that.
into this dashboard with the most frequent stocks.
Okay.
What you do click the little 3 lines and go to competitions.
Okay, let me listen.
Then once you're in competitions, you'll press view.
Can I show anybody this?
Yes, you can go into view.
No, because I don't want to show them anything that I'm not supposed to show them, you know.
You just press view,
Yeah.
and this is the market. You can see that currently it's actually closed. It shows you right there, closed.
So closed. Right,
Yes, so
hold it.
you can't invest in any stocks at
So
all.
you can't invest anything now?
No.
So when is it going to open?
It's going to open at 9 o'clock until 3 p.m.
But you are at school at times, so you can't do anything during school time.
No, our teacher, he actually has this time that he gets different grades, and they just come and they invest. You can trade 9 times a day. It doesn't matter the amount of stocks you put in.
Okay.
So you can do 1 trade and put in 50 stocks in it. That will still just count as 1 trade.
Kahleel, I am so impressed with you. I'm so impressed with you. Thank you so very much for coming. You have made my day, my week, my month, my year. Eh? I love you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. You are very welcome. Great to meet you.
Yes.
Family must be very proud of you, right?
Yes, they are.
All right. Moms, well done. Well done, moms. Avondale Prep and Kindergarten student and winner of the virtual stock market game, and soon to be just astronaut, prime minister, greatest man in the whole world, Kahleel Hutchinson. Eh?
Thank you.
Welcome, son. All right, so coming up next, from one future entrepreneur to one who is living his dream, Jamon Salmon will join us for that discussion. Soon come.